Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. This is V's Delight. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple jollof recipe. This jollof right here is budget friendly, and if you are vegetarian then you definitely need to try this jollof recipe. So please, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss a delightful moment with V. Now, let's dive into it. So to a heated pot, I'll go in with my cooking oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. Then I'll add my chopped onions. And then to that, I'll add my bay leaves. Then I'll stir everything for about 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll go in with my tomato paste. Then I let it fry for about 3 minutes, and I'll add my blended onions and garlic. Now I'll list everything in the description box, so please do check it out. I'll stir everything together and then cover it to cook for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'll continue to stir everything together and then go ahead and add my tomato and pepper mix. I'll then stir everything together and allow it to cook for extra 10 minutes. Okay, so at this point, I'll go in with my seasoning. You may use any seasoning of your choice. These are my choice, okay? Now we'll go in with all my seasoning and then stir everything together. You continue to stir and then add salt to taste. I'll allow this to cook for extra 5 minutes and then go in with my washed rice. Please, at this point, you watch and observe. Do not judge, okay? After adding my rice, I'll stir everything together and then add a little bit of water. Now make sure your water exceeds the surface of your rice. Don't add too much of water, else your rice will become mushy, all right? So this is our first check on our rice after 15 minutes. And then we'll stir, we turn it over and then cover it with our baking paper and then let it cook for extra 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, my jollof is 80% done, okay? Now I'll stir this and turn it over, then cover this to cook for extra 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, voila! My rice is nicely cooked and ready to serve. But you know, I love vegetables. I can't cook jollof without my veggies. So I added some chopped carrots, bell pepper, and some spring onions. That would take the aroma out of this world. Now you can choose to use any vegetables of your choice. That is perfectly fine. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you love this video and want to see more of it, kindly give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss a delightful moment with V. And hey, one more question. Do you prefer Ghanaian jollof or Nigerian jollof? Let me know your thoughts under the comment section.